Lasers have a wide array of applications across numerous sectors. In industrial manufacturing, lasers are used extensively for cutting, welding, engraving, marking, and surface treatment of materials. The automotive industry utilizes lasers for precise metal cutting, joining, and welding processes, ensuring high precision and efficiency in vehicle production. Aerospace applications include composite material processing, metal fabrication, and welding, critical for building lightweight and durable aircraft components. The energy sector benefits from lasers in solar power production, fuel cell development, and research into nuclear fusion, contributing to advancements in renewable energy sources. In medicine, lasers offer precise surgical capabilities, allowing for tissue ablation and targeted drug delivery. Medical applications of lasers include surgery, where they are used for precise cutting, coagulation, and ablation of tissue. Dermatology benefits from lasers for hair removal, skin resurfacing, and tattoo removal. In ophthalmology, lasers are crucial for cataract surgery, glaucoma treatment, and refractive surgery to correct vision. Dentistry employs lasers for cavity preparation, tooth whitening, and crown and bridge placement, enhancing the precision and comfort of dental procedures. Veterinary medicine utilizes lasers for soft tissue surgery, tumor removal, and wound healing in animals. Scientific and research institutions use lasers for various purposes in laboratory research, including spectroscopy, microscopy, and material analysis, enabling detailed investigations of matter. Metrology applications involve distance measurement, surface profiling, and dimensional inspection using lasers for accurate measurements. Archaeology benefits from lasers for artifact analysis, dating, and preservation of historical objects. Environmental monitoring uses lasers for air pollution sensing, water quality analysis, and soil remediation, aiding in the assessment and mitigation of environmental issues. Space exploration relies on lasers for ranging, spectroscopy, and materials processing in space missions. Consumer applications of lasers include entertainment, where they are used in laser pointers, laser tag systems, and laser shows. Lasers also aid in home improvement through laser levels, distance meters, and measuring tapes. The automotive industry integrates lasers in light detection and ranging systems for self-driving cars. Printing and advertising utilize lasers for printing, engraving, and marking materials. Education employs lasers and pointers for presentations, science experiments, and interactive displays. In commercial applications, lasers enable fiber optic communication systems in telecommunications. Retail uses lasers for barcode scanning, product marking, and inventory tracking. Security systems utilize lasers in intrusion detection, access control, and identification systems. Construction uses lasers for surveying, leveling, and alignment tasks. The food and beverage industry employs lasers for cutting, marking, and packaging products. Firstly, in the industrial sector, laser cutting offers unparalleled precision and speed in cutting various materials, from metals to plastics. Secondly, laser welding provides strong and clean welds, ideal for automotive and aerospace components. Thirdly, laser engraving allows for permanent marking of parts with serial numbers or logos. Fourthly, laser marking ensures traceability of products in manufacturing processes. Fifthly, laser surface treatment improves the properties of materials for enhanced durability and resistance to wear. In medical surgery, lasers allow for minimally invasive procedures, reducing patient recovery time. Laser hair removal offers a long-lasting solution for unwanted hair growth. Laser skin resurfacing improves the texture and appearance of the skin. Laser tattoo removal breaks down ink particles for gradual fading. In ophthalmology, lasers correct vision problems through procedures such as LASIK. Laser dentistry offers painless and precise treatment options. In scientific research, spectroscopy uses lasers to identify and analyze the composition of materials. Microscopy utilizes lasers for high-resolution imaging of cells and tissues. Material analysis employs lasers to study the structure and properties of substances. In archaeology, laser scanning creates three-dimensional models of artifacts and sites. In environmental monitoring, laser-based sensors detect pollutants in air and water. In space exploration, laser altimeters measure distances to planetary surfaces. In entertainment, laser shows create stunning visual effects. Laser pointers are used for presentations and educational purposes. Laser levels ensure accurate alignment in construction projects. Laser barcode scanners speed up checkout processes in retail stores. Laser security systems provide reliable intrusion detection. The precise and versatile nature of lasers has made them indispensable in various fields, contributing to advancements in technology, healthcare, and research. Lasers in manufacturing are used for creating intricate designs on various materials with high precision. Automotive industries use laser technology to weld car components with accuracy and speed. Aerospace companies rely on lasers to manufacture lightweight yet strong materials for aircraft. Energy companies use lasers in the production of solar panels to enhance their efficiency. In the medical field, laser surgery offers minimally invasive options to patients. Dermatologists use lasers for cosmetic procedures like skin resurfacing and hair removal. Ophthalmologists perform vision correction surgeries using advanced laser technology. Dentists use lasers for precise procedures like cavity detection and teeth whitening. Veterinarians utilize lasers for surgeries on animals, ensuring faster recovery. Scientific research relies on lasers for experiments in various fields such as physics and chemistry. Metrology uses lasers to measure distance and dimensions with extreme accuracy. Archaeologists use lasers to analyze and preserve ancient artifacts. Environmental scientists employ lasers to monitor air and water quality. Space exploration uses lasers to measure distances between spacecraft and celestial bodies. Lasers have revolutionized entertainment with laser shows and laser pointers. Home improvement projects benefit from laser levels and distance meters. Self-driving cars use lasers for navigation and obstacle detection. Lasers are used for printing and engraving in the advertising industry. Educational institutions use lasers for science experiments and demonstrations. Telecommunications rely on lasers for transmitting data through fiber optic cables. Retail stores use lasers for scanning barcodes and tracking inventory. Security systems use lasers for detecting intruders and controlling access. Construction workers use lasers for surveying and leveling. The food and beverage industry utilizes lasers for cutting and packaging products. Lasers are used in quality control to inspect products for defects. Lasers contribute to automation in manufacturing processes. Lasers are used in research to develop new materials and technologies. The application of lasers is very broad.